with yourself. Growth isn't something you notice right away, but you're moving forward even when you can't see it. Soon enough, when you're looking back on this moment, you'll be so thankful you kept pushing forward. The struggle you're in now will eventually be the reason you appreciate everything.
Used to ride my bike just like the movies, flying through the leaves, falling past me, and I could forget about the bad days. It was the only time that I was free. Never thought LA could feel this lonely on my own. Someone pull me out because I'm drowning all alone. And I'm so tired of crying, crying, crying. Don't wanna keep pretending that I'm alright. These days I feel so empty when I'm trying. And I'm so tired of crying.
So I picked up some fresh flowers, and let me just first start off by saying that chrysanthemums are toxic to cats, but I'm putting these flowers in a place where my cats don't normally interfere with. So that is the only reason I'm taking this risk, and I will see how it goes, and then maybe from there I will know if I can get more cute flowers. But how gorgeous are they? Honestly, it was because of how pretty the chrysanthemum was. Like this shade of peach pink, it just screams fall to me, honestly. And they were really, really sweet. They gave me these little baby sunflower looking ones complimentary, which was really nice of them. So I am gonna make a little arrangement. I thought that was really nice for welcoming October and doing an October reset, because I have not gotten fresh flowers in such a long time, and this is my first set of different flowers, so I'm feeling excited about it. I have a little cup of pumpkin spice cocoa, so I'm having that, and I'm gonna arrange my pretty flowers. When it comes to having fresh flowers in your home, you honestly don't need to get things that are really expensive. Baby's breath are like the most inexpensive flowers, and honestly they look amazing on its own. Oh my gosh, I cannot get over how pretty this shade of peach rose gold is. I love going to flower shops where you can choose by stem, because that way you can make much more inexpensive arrangements, and you can actually choose the stems and flowers that you like. Hello you guys, so I picked up a few items from the grocery that I wanted to share with you. I am so excited to try new recipes this season. I actually even got an acorn squash to make like roasted acorn, so I am just so excited to see how this turns out. If you want to keep up with my recipes, I share a lot on Instagram and you can go ahead and check it out and maybe follow me there if that is something that you want to do. And then I also picked up some heirloom carrots, which I thought would make such a cute little roasted carrot. And you guys know already how much I'm obsessed with just embracing the season and all things fall. Basically, it's my personality at this point and I try to do everything with that in mind. So I definitely am going to be cooking some amazing fall dishes. Also picked up some tomatoes, and again, these are just such pretty colors. We have the oranges, reds, browns. This is literally a full pack of tomatoes. We have some shallots and then English cucumber, which is like my favorite. Some cilantro. I love cilantro in my food. It is absolutely one of my favorite herbs. And then I have this little mushroom. I love these in ramen. I did a recipe a while back sharing how I use these in my ramen. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack these things away and catch up with you in a bit. I wanted to share with you a Sephora haul, some items that I picked up recently. This is quite the splurge, but I'm so excited to share it with you because I've been looking at some new skincare products that I really wanted to try. And these things are some things that you probably tried already. And if you did, definitely comment down below and let me know what you think about them. So the first one is the Watermelon Glow Night Treatment. And this one, I have not opened any of these as yet. I'm so excited to see the packaging because the packaging is really cute and it's definitely something that inspired me to go with it. And everything is just so pink and pretty. Like, look how stunning this is. And I'm not even gonna lie, it's gonna look so good in my skincare setup. So this is a night treatment. If you're a pink girly, these are some pink items that you have to have. Next up, I have the Dew Balm, and it does have SPF in it. Oh my gosh, the bottles are just everything. Look how cute this is. And I think it is like a stick situation, so you can go ahead and just easily pop on your like SPF and hydrate your skin at the same time. So much good things. Okay, so this one I've heard so much good things about it, and it is the Pink Juice Moisturizer. This bottle is to die for. It is the prettiest little thing ever, and a lot of things I do buy, it's because it's pink, as you guys probably know. So earlier this year I did share with you some Gisou products, some hair products that I got, and this time I wanted to get the honey infused mask. Now I will be honest, I was not a fan of the Gisou shampoo and conditioner. It just did not do it for me. I just felt like if it did not like lather well and it didn't make my hair feel really clean. However, I wanted to try the hair mask, and I'm like the kind of person who just wants to have like all of the same items together on my bathroom shelves. I've always heard about the Laneige lip masks, and I do have a lot of lip balms, so I didn't want to get another thing for my lips because I wanted to try the eye sleeping mask instead. And this looks so comforting to put on any night, and you just put it underneath your eyes and you have this really nice moment for your eyes, I think, and it matches so well with the rest of the skincare items that I chose. So it makes me so happy to just know that everything matches so well. I always stock up on a beauty blender, and I did try lots of different brands in the past, and there was just something about a beauty blender that is a classic for me. If it is one thing from Sephora that I'll always restock on, is definitely the beauty blender. Another skincare product is the Pharmacy Honey Halo Ceramide Moisturizer. This packaging is just a plain white, but I do love the octagon shape of the bottle itself, and I've heard really good reviews about this brand, so I'm excited to try it and see what I think. For my hair, I picked up the Way Hair Oil. I've heard amazing reviews about this one, and I have very fine hair that tends to really frizz out and poof out a lot. So I love using hair oil at the edges of my hair, like at the ends of my hair, which can get really dry. Hopefully this hair oil cures it on a day-to-day basis. It's just like a few pumps that I want of this. I do have the Gisou hair oil as well, but that one is more luxury, I feel, so I kind of hoard that one. I got the Olaplex bonding oil as well, and I've heard so many great reviews about this brand, so I'm interested to see how it goes. So it is this cute little bottle of oil, and it is perfect for, again, just smoothing out the edges of your hair without making your hair feel really heavy and oily, which is something that I always look for in an oil. What is my cat doing? I'm always on the hunt for a perfect nude lipstick because I feel like if, as a person of color, I don't really find lipsticks that really match me perfectly. The one that I'm wearing definitely does, and it is Rare from Selena Gomez, and it is in the shade Kindness, and I was so obsessed with it. I got 3 of it. This was actually the first thing in Sephora that I went to look for, was a nude lippy. And I came out with all of this. But anyway, as soon as I tried it, I fell in love with it. The formula is perfect. It does not make your lips dry out. It feels very, very hydrating. It is this souffle matte lip cream in the shade Kindness. And you guys, I cannot get enough of this. I literally think this will be my forever go-to nude lippy. It just glides on like a dream. Honestly, if you have not tried this, they have lots of different shades as well. But if you have a similar skin tone, actually this will work on any skin tone, to be honest. But if you have been looking for a really good nude, this is the shade that you need to try, because it is absolutely heavenly. So as you can see, the packaging is a little bit deceiving because it does not look this dark. So that is why I first didn't try this on, and I tried on something a little bit lighter, but that didn't work for my skin tone. So this is like the perfect nude if you're looking for something. I highly recommend this. It is all I have been wearing recently. It's just like my only lipstick at this point, I'm not even gonna lie. And if I do want it to feel a little bit glossy, all I will do is just top it on with some clear gloss, and that's it. And last up, my best friend Ashley came by me yesterday, and she wanted the packaging for this, like the zipper pouch just came in. This was the Drunk Elephant travel kit, and it came with all of these, but I was not a fan of the travel kit itself. It was like this neon color, which is just not me. I actually have the full size in this already, but I don't really love it. This is the Drunk Elephant cleanser. It's not my absolute favorite, but I did want to try the rest of their items because I have heard so much good things about it, so many reviews about it. So that is what I picked it up mainly for, just to have like the little minis and try it out and see what I think. So that is the end of my Sephora haul. It is so funny because back in the day I would buy tons and tons of makeup, and now I barely buy any makeup at all. My makeup collection is so minimalist, and I tend to focus a lot of skincare and on hair care. So I hope that you enjoyed this haul. I am of course gonna set some goals for October. I love doing this. I look forward to it so much, and I can't wait to share with you my new planners in the next video. I also want to say that earlier in this video I did share with you that I went to the car wash, and it was one of the most empowering things that I did. I've never taken my car to the car wash. I would normally have like someone come in to just wash my car, just casually wash it, but never a car wash, which I felt so good about. And this is your sign if you're a girly girl and you've been putting off going to a car wash. This is something that I aspire to do every month or every 2 months, and get my car really clean, because it felt so amazing and my car looked amazing after. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you want, you can check out the rest of my monthly resets for the year so far. I will link it in down below. Thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe because I have so much amazing content that I can't wait for you to see. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.